Let's make one of my favorite Haitian dish, Ragou. This would be so much better in the winter time, but I've been craving it for the longest. You can make this dish with pork leg or beef leg, and I choose to do pork because that's the one I usually eat the most in Haiti. And this is basically a street food for me. I don't know if everybody make this on every Saturday, but my mom didn't really make this every Saturday, so we usually buy it. And when we used to buy it, it comes with fried plantain. Let me tell you, dipping this in a sauce is the best thing in the world, and I feel like this is what I'm craving right now. I don't know, you guys, if you guys see I haven't been posting that much, is because part of me is kicking my butt. Cooking Haitian street food that I used to walk to go buy is so nostalgic because I can never have this moment back. They just live in my memory because where I'm from in Haiti, if you guys didn't know, I'm from the capital of Haiti. That's where the gangs are, and where I used to live at, even though it was a very good area, like it was completely taken over by the gang. It's heartbreaking to see that the Haiti I grew up in, my kids will never be able to see. And I mean that truly, because we can't even fly into the capital. And I kind of lose a little hope lately for my country. There's a very historic hotel full of Haitian culture. They burned it down recently, and low-key, that broke my heart. And I used to live super close to that hotel. So talking about Haiti, teaching my kids Creole, cooking the food that I grew up eating is a way for me to keep this memory alive for me and the kids.